Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today we'll be talking about diversity, which is a method used in wireless communication to mitigate the effect of flat fading or narrowband fading. So we'll have a small introduction on diversity, then we will discuss the two main types of diversity: receiver diversity and transmitter diversity. So as we said earlier, a second ago, the diversity is used to combat or mitigate the small scale fading effect, the narrowband fading or flat fading. Okay, here. So what is the philosophy of diversity? Actually is since the fading is a statistical phenomena, so it is highly unlikely or improbable to have um, bad channels all the time. So if we try many times, we will end up getting a good channel. Since we are talking about space fading, meaning that um, fading occurs at instances of space, so if we have multiple antennas at the receiver or at the transmitter, this will increase the probability of having a good channel. Okay, so what we'll do with those channels, we will combine them somehow, and we will learn about the ways of combining those paths of the received signal. So we have different types of diversity. We talked about the space diversity. Um, we have other diversity types like the polarization diversity, meaning that we send the same signal but with different polarization. This is related to the antenna orientation. It can be vertical, it can be horizontal, right? In some antennas we can have counterclockwise and clockwise circular polarization, which can be used as a form of polarization, sorry, as a type of diversity. We can use different frequencies, so we can transmit the same signal on different frequencies. This will give us frequency diversity. Similarly, we can use different time slots to send the same signal. Again, this will give us time diversity. We can use different antenna patterns, which is called angle diversity. And what we'll talk about in detail in this lecture is the space and diversity or antenna diversity.